Hello everyone, welcome to my channel HSP Constructions. Here's the windows are in progress today. This is the 42 by 42 sliding window. I got it cut already, have to install the window here. In this property there are three 42 by 42, two slider, one ingress. Here you go. So this one is installed already, sliding 42 by 42, and still window well and drain needs to be done. So this is 32 by 30 is installed already, and this is side entrance. Framing is done, ready to pour. Inspections, everything is passed. Yeah. So this is the progress for today. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting HSP Construction Inc. Thank you very much.